document ko lang saglit yung learnings. So una, as a video editor, no, I need to understand how I need to have a collection of ways, like parang templates and stuff. I need to have a collection of ways on how to present stuff, no? Paano yung animation, movement, whatever. I need more templates or at least a mental frame, no? It's almost like in a movie or making a manga or comics. Meron ka na sa isip mo ng mga collection ng mga panels or style, no? Camera shots, no? Pagdating sa editing, para lang mas mabilis tayo mag-edit. Bakit may organized files dito? Task ba to? Weird. Organized file. Anyway, isa pa, whenever I feel down, kasi as a freelancer, as a Filipino, hindi ganun ako competitive. Ewan ko kung ganun din sa ibang bansa. Usually nakakalungkot. Kasi, mag-isa ka lang. Again, as a home-based na tao, hindi ka talaga gaganahan masyado. Unlike ng call center, kami may mga awards, may, alam mo yun, parang feeling mo maangas ka pag top agent ka, nakakatuwa eh. Walang ganun pag entrepreneur ka. Pero on the bright side, nakakalimutan ko yung other side of the story na kapag naman magaling ka, kikita ka, di ba? I forget about that always. So, I just look at it this way, no? I really admire how Rockstar Games and Valve operate, no? They're the two companies that I really love, that I want to be like that, you know? Like, for some reason, they just make right decisions and they're very competitive, they're very high quality. I love them, no? They're so awesome, no? Kapag naaalala ko na merong mga kumpanya na ganun, na international, I want to be like them, at least, no? Na malapit-lapit. So I want to go high level, I want to be international, no? And I want to also remember, okay, na the harder it is, the more excited I should be. Kasi kapag mahirap yung isang bagay na ginagawa ko, it only means na konti lang gumagawa nun. Which is what I'm doing right now. Napakahirap niya, man. Like, ang hirap niya talaga. I'm doing the harder way. Ang daming paraan para kumita ng pera, pero pinapahirapan ko yung sarili ko in this is a much harder way to earn money, no? You know, doing things right, not taking shortcuts, making quality content or delivery para sa clients, but I do it anyways. Kasi again, that's the right way to do it. Para sa akin yun tama eh, pride ko yun eh. Ewan ko, feeling ko tama yun. Tapos isa pa na palagi ko nakakalimutan nga, ito yung issue sa akin eh, wala kasi yung competition eh. Don't forget the competition. Kahit na parang wala. Sino competition ko? Ang hirap mag-isip, no? Feeling ko kasi point of view, napakalabak ng mundo eh. Pero, I just need to have a competition para mas mag-perform pa ako, no? Hindi ako mag-procrastinate, hindi ako tamarin, no? And yun, tapos one reminder for me also is get out of your shell. Ito na yung ginagawa ko ngayon. I'm already doing it. I'm getting out of my shell, public. Pinapublic ko na yung mga videos na recording ko at least para maramdaman ko na I'm getting out of my shell. And I want to remember this always that hindi lahat ng tao, not all people have the opportunity that I have. So don't waste it. Like it took me years din bago ko na-reach tong situation ko ngayon. 6 years to be specific. Kasi halos 6 months or months ako sa networking. Nag-drop ako ng college eh. Tapos 3 years sa call center, 3 or 2. I think 3 years sa call center, tapos 3 years as a virtual assistant. 3 or 2, nakalimutan ko na eh. Virtual assistant na walang editing. Ngayon, I'm just focusing on editing, may virtual assistant pa rin. In a way, I'm a business na hindi ako employee, no? I'm an agency, mini agency, no? Freelancer. And I can take as many clients as I want. Hindi ko lang siya ma-serve, palagi akong late. I really need to fix that. I'm working on it. And I want to remind myself to be the best every single day, no? And again, focus on diagnosing problems and solving it, no? I-diagnose, ano bang issue currently? Ako ngayon, ang bagal ko gumawa ng listing video. Ano bang problema? Wala akong template. I'm fixing it right now. And masyado mababa self-esteem ko, kinakabahan ako sa mga bagay-bagay. I'm afraid to make mistakes. I'm sobrang perfectionist ko. Anong fix doon? just practice. Repetition. Ito yung ginagawa ko ngayon. We're doing it. Repetition. So, again, isa pa dito, reminder ko, focus on the 100K path, no? $100,000 path from Alex Hormozy. Like, ang point lang dito is I need to have a goal to earn $100,000 in a year, no? Once we achieve that, that's going to be huge. Yun lang yung goal ko currently so far, and we have other ways to reach that, no? Is grow the business and stuff. And again, kanina ko lang ito natutunan. If you're going to suck anyways, right? I mean, if you're going to suck less in the future, why not suck now, right? So, ang point lang dito is, kasi ang tinuturo niya rito is more on, cold outreach, or I mean, just talking to people, no? Sales, call center, in a way, parang ganun. So, outreach to people, no? Talking to people, may script, blah, blah, blah. Bobo ka talaga sa simula, of course. First time mo di ba? Pero the more you do it, no, the more reps, the more na kumakausap ka ng tao, mas mapapractice ka. And yeah, ang point dito is, kung mas madalas, the more mo siyang gagawin, mas hindi ka magiging bobo, mas gagaling ka ng konti, or mas matututo ka, di ba? Mas less bobo ka na. Why not? Gawin mo na lang, di ba? Like, start now, para sa future. Hindi ka na bobo, di ba? And that's what I'm doing right now, di ba? Hindi ako marunong mag-record ng video, magsalita sa camera. Well, I've been doing it for years, actually. Literal. I have my backlog. Ayoko lang screenshot, tinatamad ako pero I have a backlog. Like, I've been recording for years. 2020 ako nag-start. 6 years na. I don't remember, basta years I've been recording. Hindi ko lang siya pinapublic, so yun yung papractice natin. Okay? So yun lang, reminders ko sa sarili ko, lessons that I want to keep. Yes.